Hello, in this video we're going to write an equation for the line passing through two given points. So here's our problem. Write an equation for the line passing through points 3, -4 and -1, 4. For this, you need to remember the formula for the equation of the line, which is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. If you have a problem where you need to find the equation of the line, this means you need to find the slope of the line and the y-intercept of the line, and you will plug in this into this formula. And once you do that, once you plug in those numbers, you will have your answer. You will have the equation of the line for, in this case, those two given points. So that means, as I said, we need to find the slope of this line and the y-intercept for this line that goes through these 2 points. So first thing we're going to do is to find the slope of the line. To find the slope of the line, that is a formula, which is slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We're going to label our points. We will call this one point 1. It doesn't matter which one you call point 1 or which one you call point 2. And now we're going to start plugging in those values. First, I have y2, and y2 is here, it's 4. Then minus, this minus is from the formula, minus y1. But y1 is -4, so I need to minus -4. I want you to realize that I ended up here with 2 negatives in a row. The first negative is from the formula, and the second negative is because my number was -4. So I have -4 here. Let's plug in now x2. x2 is -1, so -1 here, minus from the formula x1, which is 3, so 3. Okay, on top I have these 2 negatives in a row, and 2 negatives in a row is a positive, so I have that 4 plus 4 divided by -1 and -3, that would be -4. 4 plus 4 is 8 divided by -4, and 8 divided by -4 would be -2. So this is my slope, -2. So now that I know that my slope is -2, I'm going to plug it in here where the slope is, because this is the slope. So far I have at least half of my equation of the line with the slope, but I still need to find b, which is the y-intercept. To find b, you're going to use any of these 2 points. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Okay, you choose normally the one that it looks easier for you, but in this case, I think they're both the same. Both have one negative number, so there's no one easier than the other, so we can choose any. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to use 3, -4. So, using point 3, -4, remember that always the x goes first and then the y. So what I'm going to do is to plug in this, that I have half of the formula. I'm going to plug the x here where the x is, and the y here where the y is. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So y, which is -4, I'm just following the formula, is equal to -2 my slope times x. but x is 3. So times 3 and plus b. I just plug in this x and y in this formula, okay? So now I'm going to do this multiplication, the negative 2 times 3. So negative 4 is equal to negative 2 times 3, which is negative 6 plus b. I'm going to continue here. Remember that b is the y-intercept, which is what we're trying to find. So in order to find this b here, I need to get rid of this negative 6. So as always, I'm going to do the opposite operation. So plus 6 on both sides. And on the left side, I have negative 4 plus 6, which is 2. Minus 6 plus 6, that cancels out. And all I have left is b on the right side. So b is equal to 2. Now that I know that b is equal to 2, I am going to plug it in here, because that was the only thing that was missing, because I already found before the slope there, the negative 2. So once I plug in the b, I'm done. So my final answer will be that y, this is my equation of the line, is m, which is the slope, and I know that that is negative 2, x plus, here in the equation of the line, plus b, and b is that positive 2, so that will stay as a positive 2. So that's my equation of the line passing through these 2 points. The equation is y is equal to negative 2x plus 2. Okay, I hope that if this video was helpful, you hit the like button, and see you on the next video. Bye.